On August 15, 1977, at Ohio State University's Big Ear Radio Telescope, a modest observatory scanning the skies for faint whispers of the cosmos detected something extraordinary, something that would captivate the world for decades to come. Astronomer Jerry Ehman was analyzing a printout of radio data from his nightly observations when his eyes fell upon a sequence that defied explanation. Amid thousands of ordinary cosmic signals, there appeared a narrowband, high-intensity transmission, perfectly isolated from the natural radio background. Ehman was so stunned by its peculiarity that he circled the sequence on the printout in red ink and scrawled a single word beside it: "Wow." That word would come to symbolize one of the most tantalizing mysteries in the history of astronomy. A fleeting, enigmatic signal that might represent humanity's first encounter with extraterrestrial intelligence. The WOW signal lasted just 72 seconds, corresponding precisely to the period the Big Ear telescope could observe a fixed point in the sky as the Earth rotated. Its frequency, 1,420 megahertz, was significant. It matched the hydrogen line, a natural emission of neutral hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe. To astronomers, this was no coincidence. Hydrogen's prevalence and its distinct emission frequency have made it a focal point for interstellar communication attempts, as any intelligent civilization familiar with physics could reasonably assume that other civilizations would listen there. The intensity, clarity, and isolation of the WOW signal suggested something deliberate, something that could not easily be explained by natural cosmic phenomena alone. The WOW signal was unlike anything Ehman or his colleagues had ever encountered. It was narrow, concentrated in a tiny frequency range, and it appeared to emanate from a precise location in the constellation Sagittarius, near the star group Chi Sagittarii. Unlike broadband cosmic noise, which spreads across frequencies and can be caused by stars, planets, or interstellar gas, this signal was clean, sharp, and unlike anything recorded in previous surveys. Its characteristics seem to suggest an artificial origin, a deliberate transmission rather than the random chatter of the universe. Yet despite its apparent sophistication, the signal disappeared as suddenly as it arrived. When the telescope continued to observe the same region minutes later, there was nothing. No repeat, no echo, no lingering evidence. The singularity of the WOW signal remains its most confounding feature. Unlike pulsars, quasars, or other repeating cosmic sources, which produce regular, predictable signals, the WOW signal occurred only once. The lack of repetition has prevented scientists from triangulating its origin, studying its pattern, or confirming its source. In the decades since, thousands of hours of observation have scanned the exact same patch of sky at the same frequency, and yet nothing similar has ever been detected. This fleeting, unrepeatable nature has left the signal suspended in scientific limbo, tantalizing, suggestive, and entirely unexplained. In the years following the detection, scientists and researchers explored every possible explanation, from the mundane to the extraordinary. Some speculated that the signal could have originated from Earth-based interference, perhaps a stray satellite transmission, or a secret military signal reflecting off the ionosphere. Others argued that the signal might be a natural phenomenon produced by comets, interstellar hydrogen clouds, or distant pulsars. In 2017, a study even suggested that a pair of passing comets could have emitted hydrogen clouds that briefly matched the WOW signal's frequency, offering a potential natural explanation. Yet this theory remains controversial, as the intensity and timing of the original signal do not perfectly align with the comet hypothesis. Meanwhile, SETI researchers, philosophers, and astronomers explored the possibility of an extraterrestrial origin. Could a distant civilization have deliberately chosen the hydrogen line to transmit a message to intelligent life? Could they have broadcasted it once, perhaps as a beacon or experiment, not realizing that detection by humans would take decades? These questions remain unanswerable, and their very unanswerability has fueled public fascination. The WOW signal represents a tantalizing glimpse of the unknown, a cosmic whisper that might be the universe attempting to communicate with us. Or it might be an extraordinary coincidence of natural phenomena. The WOW signal's impact extends far beyond its 72-second existence. It inspired generations of astronomers, scientists, and enthusiasts to scan the skies for extraterrestrial intelligence. It encouraged the development of more advanced instruments, computational models, and observation programs such as the Allen Telescope Array and Breakthrough Listen, which now continuously monitor millions of stars for signs of artificial signals. The WOW signal remains the benchmark against which new candidate signals are compared, the gold standard of potential extraterrestrial contact. Beyond science, the WOW signal has seeped into culture, literature, and imagination. It has become a symbol of humanity's hope, curiosity, and vulnerability, a reminder that the universe is vast, largely unexplored, and filled with phenomena that may defy understanding. Jerry Ehman, who passed away in 2011, left behind a legacy not in the form of a confirmed discovery, but in the wonder of possibility, encapsulated in one word: WOW. The WOW signal also challenges our understanding of observation itself. In an era before satellites, internet-connected observatories, and global collaboration, a single telescope captured a moment that no other instrument repeated. It reminds us of the fragility of human detection, a unique event lasting barely over a minute, capable of slipping away into oblivion if we are not looking at the right place at the right time. Perhaps there are countless such signals occurring every day, unnoticed, missed by instruments not looking precisely at the right frequency, at the right angle, or at the right moment. The WOW signal is as much a story of missed opportunities as it is of cosmic mystery. For many scientists, it represents the ultimate unresolved question: are we alone? If this signal was artificial, then somewhere, across the vast emptiness of space, an intelligent civilization sent a message across the cosmos, and humanity, for the briefest moment, might have intercepted it. But like a whisper in a storm, the message disappeared, leaving us with awe, speculation, and an enduring sense of wonder. More than 40 years later, the WOW signal continues to intrigue astronomers, space enthusiasts, and the public alike. It demonstrates that even fleeting, unrepeatable phenomena can ignite curiosity and drive decades of scientific investigation. It reminds us that the universe may contain civilizations reaching out to communicate, yet we might only catch glimpses, partial, fleeting, and enigmatic. If you want more in-depth documentaries on cosmic mysteries, unexplained phenomena, and the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video, because some signals aren't meant to be fully understood. They're meant to make us look up, wonder, and keep searching.